How to use WhatsApp Web on your Android device without scanning QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use your WhatsApp Web on your Android device without scanning your QR code, of course. So first thing first, in order to access your WhatsApp Web, you obviously have to open your web browser first, and here you're going to search for WhatsApp Web. So just search for WhatsApp Web and then enter. And the first link will be your official website. Just tap on it. Now this is an important step that you cannot miss. What you have to do is enable desktop site. So by doing this, you will be able to enter your phone number without scanning the QR code and log into your WhatsApp. So tap on the three dots right here and enable the desktop site. Now it will take a while to load once again. It will take you to the desktop site and it has given you a QR code, but I'm just going to link with phone number. So just tap on link with phone number, and here you can simply enter your phone number and tap on next. And after this, WhatsApp will provide you with a code that you will have to enter on your WhatsApp. So just open it and tap on confirm. And you will have to secure or verify your ID with a PIN code or your fingerprint. So it will take you to this. Now you just basically have to enter this exact code. So I'm just going to enter it right now. So once you enter your code, it will log you in your WhatsApp Web. So you just have to wait for a bit. And after the login is done, now after you have entered your code, you just have to wait for your chats to load on your WhatsApp Web, and it will load up all of your chats. Then you should be logged into your account on your WhatsApp Web on your Android device. So as you can see, I have already logged into my account here. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.